Now, here's how you can download MP4 video files from Gmail on your iPhone or iPad. So, at first, it's likely that the attachment is going to be only up to 25 megabytes, obviously, because that's the limit. But if it's above that, then it's only going to be shared as a Google Drive link, right? So if the file is kind of looking like this, that you can clearly see that it is a video.mp4 file, you can easily just tap on it and you should have the ability to click on the save or download button in the top right corner. And when you do so, the video is going to be saved to your gallery of photos. But besides that, you also have the Google Drive icon, which is going to save it to the drive associated with that Gmail address, or you have the share button, which appears like it's only for like sharing the video, but when you tap on it, you can actually just save it or share it for yourself, right? So you have some options like to save it into your notes or directly into your Files app or Dropbox, whatever you have available. So yeah, whenever you're downloading some sort of files, also pay attention to the share icon, as this might also indicate something useful. So that is going to be about it from me. It's a very quick video. I hope you found this one helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button on it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.